In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for beginners in 2025. Whether you're completely new to Google Calendar or just looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started with ease. To begin, the first thing you need to do is visit Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Calendar into the search bar, or by directly entering its URL. Once the page loads, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken directly to Google Calendar. If not, you'll need to enter your account details. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the correct one to ensure your events and details are consistent with your personal schedule. Now that you're in, let's explore the main interface of Google Calendar. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a mini calendar, which is a great tool for quick navigation through different dates. Below that, you will find the My Calendars and Other Calendars lists. The My Calendars section shows you the calendars you've created or subscribed to, and Other Calendars allows you to add calendars from friends, family, or public sources. One of the core functionalities you should be familiar with is changing your calendar view. You can do this by clicking on the arrow drop-down at the top right corner of the main calendar interface. This allows you to toggle between day, week, month, or year views. Each option offers a different perspective on your schedule, enabling you to plan at the micro or macro level as needed. On the right side of the screen, you'll find additional tools like Tasks, Keep, Contacts, and Maps. These optional features can help enhance your productivity by integrating tasks or notes directly into your calendar workflow. When you're ready to add your events, click on the plus create button on your desktop or the plus icon if you're using your mobile device. Enter details like the event title, date, time, location, and any descriptions necessary. Click save when you're done to ensure everything is recorded properly. For those wishing to customize their experience with Google Calendar further, you can access the settings by clicking the gear icon, then selecting Settings. Here you can adjust time zones, notification preferences, calendar sharing options, and customize the appearance to better suit your needs. That's a wrap on this beginner's guide. With these steps, you should now be able to use Google Calendar confidently to manage your schedule effectively. Don't forget to explore all the features at your own pace, and thank you for watching.